the Icy shop. It's amazing. Icy lemonade.
Whoa, I see that is amazing. Thank you, Be Amazing Girls, for having me on your channel. And a little cute, adorable little bee told me that there was something called the Be Amazing Icy Lemonade Shop. And I was like, wow, what do they have there? And they say, well, you have to go and find out. And then I call you guys up on the phone, like, and then Be Amazing Nia say, greetings, welcome to the Be Amazing Shop. And I was like, whoa, so you guys really do have the Be Amazing Icy Lemonade Shop.
Yes.
And then Be Amazing Girl Kaya said, sure, of course we do. We have lots of customers. And then Be Amazing Girl Ania and Kaya told me that they have some refreshing icy lemonade. Okay? And the good thing is that, is it made with cow's milk?
No.
No cow's milk? Oh, so what do you make it with?
So we make it with juice, coffee creamer. If you don't want the juice,
But doesn't-
you have the coffee creamer.
Doesn't the coffee creamer and the whip have milk in it? Dairy, cow's milk?
No.
So what are you using?
Well, we're using dairy-free, milk-free.
Well, it has milk.
Coffee creamer is coffee.
It's coffee creamer. It has milk, but it just doesn't have cow's milk. It has almond milk instead. So both the whip
Yes.
and the coffee creamer are dairy-free, non-dairy, and they are both vegan, and they're made out of almond milk. Thank you, Be Amazing Girls. The cows thank you so they could keep their milk and give it to their baby cows instead.
Want me to get you the order?
Okay, in a minute. So Be Amazing Girl and Nia, can you tell us what's on the menu, what cup sizes we have? But before you say that, you have how you make the lemonade, Be Amazing Girl Kaya, before you go and get my order.
Okay, so use apple juice or lemonade. And if you don't want apple juice or lemonade, you can use coffee creamer. And if you want, you can add some cream, which make it look super cute and nice.
Interesting, very good. Be Amazing Girl Nia, can you tell us what's on the menu?
Wow. The big cup is $10 and the medium one is $7 and the small one is $8.
Oh, that's just adorable. Excellent prices. You have wonderful products, the best products that you could find to make the best icy lemonade for people with absolutely great prices. We appreciate it. And the cows send you a letter. They said,
Moo.
Dear Moo, Nia and Kaya, Moo, from the Be Amazing Moo Girls. We, on behalf of the Cow Confederation, Moo, thank you for using almond milk instead, right? Moo, 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 moo.
And here's the full cup. You have a little wooden spoon.
Very nice. Whoa, this is my amazing, the Be Amazing Icy Lemonade.
Yes.
And this is what it looked like. It's super refreshing. It's made out of ice, and I picked apple juice, organic apple juice with some coffee creamer and some whip. And that's my icy lemonade. And it is the best, the best, the best. Okay, Be Amazing Girls. Is there anything else that you would like to? Oh, how do you make your ice? Do you order your ice or do you make it yourself?
No, we make it ourselves.
Okay, you make it yourself so that you can know what kind of water you're using for the ice so you can offer the best for the people.
You want to show?
Thank you, Be Amazing Girls, for in a minute for having me on your channel and for offering the best icy lemonade ever.